It's not just anywhere. You can walk down the middle of a farm to market road here in Texas and not have traffic coming, but that's kind of the story out here on the Moonlight on the Prairie photography workshop. We're in day 2 of this workshop and already we've had a big time. Right now we're at a ghost town called Medicine Mound out in northwest Texas. We're taking pictures of these old buildings while the sun's still up, but here in a few minutes the sun's going to go down. We're going to transition from daytime mode to nighttime mode. We're going to have a big full moon in the sky tonight. The moon's going to illuminate all the landscapes that we're photographing, which is a wonderful way of doing it if you've never done it before. Already this trip has been phenomenal. Last night we went out and did a night shoot, took a break back at the hotel for a few hours, came back out and spent from about 2 a.m. to when the sun came up of shooting pictures of a total lunar eclipse, and that was pretty phenomenal as well. And so tonight we're going to shoot pictures here. We got about 5 or 6 locations we're going to go and shoot pictures of, just again using moonlight, ambient light, a little bit of light painting, all the things that we can bring to bear to really make these pictures compelling. And then we've got the same thing on Wednesday night, same thing on Thursday night. A lot of really neat locations that you won't see anywhere else. I mean, a lot of these workshops, you go to places that are iconic and you see these pictures on Instagram and other places, but these places, a lot of them only I have access to. And so that's what I think is unique about this workshop, is the fact that you can come out, spend some time in some wide open places, see some beautiful scenery, take pictures of areas that time really forgot, and get pictures that no one else has.